Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the Right to Information Act 2005. In this video, we would be studying about the Public Information Officer. What is the meaning of State Public Information Officer as per the RTI Act 2005, where a State Public Information Officer is designated is a person who is designated under subsection 1 of section 5, and state public information officer includes a state assistant public information officer who is designated as such under subsection 2 of section 5, wherein every public authority wherein every public authority the public authority which has been we have read it earlier defined, which includes every body, every institution, every authority which is incorporated, established by or under the constitution of India, every other body which has been established under any law of the parliament, any body, any institution, any authority of self governance which has been established by or under any law made by the state legislature, or where by notification which is issued or made by the appropriate government, it can establish a public authority as per section 2 clause H, where this public authority within 100 days of the enactment of this RTI Act shall designate as many number of officers as the state public information officers, or where in the administrative unit or the offices wherever any necessary information which is to be provided to the persons who are requesting for the information under this act, and where this state public information officer also includes a person who has been designated as a state public assistant information officer, wherein this person is to provide the information to forward to receive the applications for the informations or the appeals under the RTI Act. And this assistant, state assistant public information officer, he forwards the same application to the central public information officer or the state public information officer or to the senior officers, where for the purpose of dissemination of information, wherein provided that where an application for information or appeal is given to the state assistant public information officer shall be the period shall be of 5 days, which is added in computing the period for response specified because of forwarding the same application, wherein every public information officer, state public information officer, shall deal with the request from the persons who are seeking the information, and to give them, to provide them with the reasonable assistance to the person who is seeking such information, wherein the state public information officer shall get the assistance of any other officer as he or she considers it necessary for the proper discharging of his duty under the Right to Information Act 2005, wherein the public information officer shall deal with the request which has been requested by the persons who seek the information, and where the request it is made is in writing to for a reasonable assistance to the persons to reduce the same in writing, wherein if the information which is requested is held by connected or another public authority, then the state public information officer or state assistant public information officer shall transfer within 5 days the request to that other concerned public authority and inform the applicant, the person who is requesting the information, immediately, wherein the public information officer may seek the necessary assistance of any other officer for the purpose of discharging of his or her duties. On the receipt of the request, it shall expeditiously as possible, in any case within 30 days of the receipt of the request, either provide the information on payment of such fees which has been prescribed, and wherein the information requested